Now, students, in last class we studied till this paragraph number 2. Now we are going to start the paragraph number 3. The sentence says, I thought he was making fun of me and reached Hamel's little garden out of breath. Usually, when school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out of it in the street and the opening and closing of the desk. So what does this story proceed about? When Frank goes to school and when he is interrupted by the blacksmith, the watcher, then he said that you have plenty of time, don't go very fast. So Franz was thinking that he was making fun of him, and he was in a very hurry, and so that's why he reached to the Mr. M. Hamel's little garden. Little garden all out of breath means he was very fast to reach school now as soon as possible. Usually when school began there was a little bustle. This I just narrated earlier also, that usually whenever the school used to begin there is a topical too much of noise, the noise of the which could be heard in the street, the opening and closing of the desks are being closed and open, lessons are repeated in unison here means the word it is written unison means simultaneously together, very loud and with our hands over our ears to understand better, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. So all these things were just creating cross inside the school, and that was very easy to understand and easy to listen just out of the street. But now it was also still. But now today when Franz reached the school, it was just everything was very still. Nothing was heard, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. But now it was all so still. I had counted on the commotion to get my desk without being seen. So he just made out his emotion control, and he thought that he knew Franz knew that he is late, but he, without being noticed, he wanted to go to his seat. But of course that day everything had to be quiet as Sunday morning. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places. M. Hamel walking up and down with his table and a ruler and his arm. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. So it was just different from what was expected by Franz. When he just went to school, he saw that everything was silent and nobody was making noise, or everyone was at their place, nobody was just bustling around, nobody was moving from one place to another. So he had to open the door, go in before everybody. So you can assume that everybody inside the class and the class is going on, and the latecomer is late in the school, and everybody is watching just like he is at the limelight of the class. So in front of everybody he just opened the window, and he opened he saw from the window, and he opened the gate and went inside the class. And he was very frightened also, because you can assume the scenario of the class, that how it would be when Franz was late to the school and everybody is waiting for him, everybody is sitting at their place. But nothing happened. And very surprisingly, nothing happened. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, go to your place quickly, little Franz, we were beginning without you. M. Hamel did not scold anything, he did not say to him anything, he just only said that go to your place quickly, little Franz, we were beginning without you. If you had not been there, then we just would have started our classes. So go to class so that we could continue our classes. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat. So Franz just went to the bench, and what did he notice? He noticed that his teacher was in one of the best suit that he used to wear in the ceremonies, or at the parent teacher conferences, or on the Sunday evening or Sunday morning, whenever he used to go to church. So when he entered the class, when he saw Mr. M. Hamel, his teacher, he was quite different from the usual days. So till now we have studied. Now the remaining portion will be continued later. We had studied till here when fans noticed that MML was one of his best dresser. Thank you.